Welcome back to another video of Kyle B Dashcams. In this video, it's going to contain a bunch of short clips. Nothing in particular to one video of a driver or whatever, just a bunch of short clips of things, not necessarily pertaining to me. To throw out some examples out there, what they are. One contains a moped, someone on a moped or whoever is in the center lane just goes through at the stoplight. Like, okay. Another one shows a person running a red light. That's not surprising. I mean, there's a lot of that out there, unfortunately. Another example I can think of is somebody driving on the wrong side of the road. Now, that was pretty scary. Okay. And I cannot express this enough, but I know I said in previous videos to get yourself a dash cam, because in one of these short clips, it contains a person on a motorcycle who apparently is in between lanes speeding by fast. And let me just tell you, I'm glad I had this camera, because if I had switched lanes, because I didn't see this guy, like if I switched lanes, this guy probably would have been done just for being stupid. So, yeah, I'm glad nothing terrible happened, but I'm glad I had this camera to save my ass. So, let's get right into it. Okay, in this video, there's a car behind this truck. We're all stopped with a stoplight, and then he decides to go on the curb, as you can see. Apparently, he can't wait. I'm like, okay. I'll just save that. I don't know why you couldn't just wait a few minutes. The light will change in any moment. So anyways, there's that. The next clip takes place of me driving where this car I get approached is driving in the wrong direction. You will see in just a moment here. So this car is turning in front of me, as you can see, and then you'll start to see headlights in front right about now. Don't even realize if I approach, and I'm like, whoa! Flash my lights here. I'm like, what are you doing, dude? You're on the wrong side of the road. This is a 2-lane one-way. So that's that. Next clip shows a moped driving in the bike lane here through the stoplights. Just a short clip here on the left. I'm like, what just happened? Hello? Anyways, next clip is on the highway. This is the one I was talking about, a motorcycle. Person on a motorcycle comes out of nowhere. I don't even realize it until it's in front of me. Right there on the left, see? Now we go to front view. Right on the right. This is where I'm like, holy shit, because I had no idea. It just snuck up on me like that. And you can slightly see up front in the right. It's just zooming by in the center. I don't even know how, but it is. Next clip, we go to an intersection, approach a stoplight. This ain't surprising. This is everywhere. People run red lights. It's actually this truck on the right here. And there it goes. And then I've noticed this car on the left. It seems like they're running a light as well, turning left. That just happened to be. I didn't even notice that part. And this last clip, this is pretty scary. This U-Haul coming out of this driveway or whatever on the right here. It pulls out. It eventually cuts off this white car that's in front of me without even looking over or anything. It just moves over. It could have almost been a collision. Luckily not. Right about now, no blink or nothing, just moves over. And this guy's like, whoa. And let me tell you, as that it was all going on, the guy was honking his horn, which I don't blame him. Okay, and that's all for now. Please stay tuned for the next upload. It may be some more clips that involves me, or just the littlest things I catch in front of me or behind me that's not even involved with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to share, but please make sure you tag me along because of copyright. See you next time.